Hello everyone, once again welcome back to our channel. Today we will look about Nptel course manufacturing process technology 1 and 2, week 3 assignment 3 solution. Due date is 12th of February 2025. So let us begin guys. When there is a sudden change in the flow direction, dash effect is used. The distance of the spew from the mold is defined by in a coated alloy which of the following is factor is independent to direction of crystal growth. Top gating is used for dash while bottom gating is used for dash. Which of the following is not a type of gating? In a permanent mold casting method, the dash in a mold is balanced by dash. Which of the following is not true? The degree of supercooling necessary dash by the presence of a surface that serves as dash nuclei for crystal growth. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Do like, share, subscribe the video.